Welcome, and this time, let us introduce some of key EKK technologies associated with the fully automated production line for solenoid valves. Coil winding technology. Our winding is fast and precisely aligned for high productivity, while enabling accurate and stable electromagnetic force, critical for proper actuation of the valve. Fusing technology. Coil wires and terminals are joined by fusing. Precisely controlled process within tightly managed parameters ensures highly durable joints. Resin overmolding technology. This process molds plastic over the electromagnetic coil component, forming detailed shape of the electrical connector. Precisely controlled molding parameters assure dimensional accuracy and high durability against changes in the external environment. Assembly technology. Our equipment shown here is a fully automated, mass production assembly line of the solenoid valve, consisting of approximate 20 components. It is installed in a semi-clean room and also designed to remove contaminants through the process steps to ensure product cleanliness. In-process inspection technology. Our production line performs various checking automatically. Not just visual images but also electrical and hydraulic characteristics are 100% inspected to contain non-conforming products. Laser marking technology. In the end, each product receives laser marking after passing inspection, signifying our high quality and providing traceability. Data matrix format is also available upon customer request. This is the fully automated mass production line of our market-leading solenoid valves, made of superior technologies. Perfection in motion. From EKK Industry.